In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete visited websites on Google Chrome. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Chrome settings and what to select to remove your browsing history safely and efficiently. Start by opening Google Chrome and looking at the top right corner of the window. Click the three vertical dots to open the main menu. This is where Chrome keeps all of its tools and options. From that menu, click Settings. The settings page opens in a new tab and is where you control how Chrome behaves, including privacy and data preferences. On the left side of the settings page, click Privacy and Security. This section contains the controls for your history, cookies, cache, and permissions. To remove the list of sites you've visited, click Clear Browsing Data. A panel will pop up with options that determine what gets deleted and how far back Chrome should go. In the Clear Browsing Data window, make sure you're on the Basic tab if you see multiple tabs. At the top, choose your time range. You can select last hour to quickly erase recent activity, or all time if you want to remove every visited site from your history. Right below that, you'll see checkboxes. Ensure browsing history is checked. That is the key item for deleting visited websites. If your goal is only to remove history, you can leave cookies and other site data and cached images and files unchecked, so you won't be signed out of websites and pages won't need to reload resources. When you're confident in your selections and time range, click Clear Data. Chrome may take a few moments depending on how much history you're clearing. Once it completes, your visited websites will be removed from the history page and won't appear as suggestions based on past visits. If you still see a site appear in the address bar, it may be because it's bookmarked or frequently visited. Removing the bookmark or giving Chrome a bit of time to adjust suggestions usually resolves that. A quick note: if you use Chrome Sync, clearing browsing history while signed in typically removes that history across your synced devices as well. That's helpful when you want a clean slate everywhere, but keep it in mind before you proceed. That's it. You've successfully deleted visited websites on Google Chrome using the built-in privacy tools. If you need to do this periodically, repeating these same steps will keep your history clean and your privacy in check.